asking for the most flattering eyeshadows for brown eyes, and this one might surprise you. Now, I asked my Instagram followers, what eyeshadow do you like to use that is the most flattering for your unique eye color? All of my brown-eyed people said olive. Olive eyeshadow. There is no mention of green for brown eyes in the book that I always share with you guys that has all of the eye color charts. So I'm going to show you kind of what this looks like on the eye today. Even though I don't have brown eyes, I really enjoy this color on myself as well. Now what you can do is just a light wash of color. If you like, if green is not really something that you're interested in, but something that I like about this specific color is that it's matte and that it's almost like a camo green. I love this color. I bought this color specifically because I thought it was so unique and I knew I had nothing else like it. I think it is so cool. Now I know that everybody is different, so I'm going to ask you as well, comment below your eye color and your favorite color to wear with your eyes that you think is the most flattering.